Well, hello. Again, today we're working on our 390. We've been in and out of some weather, and we noticed that our basement door, now granted this is a bigger door, but the handles are very stiff to open. So I'm going to show you a quick little easy fix. Anybody can do this, super simple. These are called the slam latches. So basically, I'm going to use a screwdriver. I'm going to use a screw gun real quick. There is 4 Phillips screws in here. Okay. We're just going to back these screws out real quick. When you go to put these in, I would suggest using a screwdriver because it's just going into plastic. So if you're going to use a screw gun, you want to have it torqued down, because otherwise you're just going to end up blowing it right out on the backing. So, and that is as simple as these things come out. Okay, this is your inside, this is your outside. You can actually see that there's some condensation. Like I said, we've been in the moisture for a while. And the one thing that I noticed is they spray just a little bit of white lithium grease here, and this is your actuator, and it is really hard. Your latch actually slides up and down pretty quick, but even without any tension on there, that thing is still kind of gummed up. So just some white lithium grease. Be careful with this. Anybody that's used this will tell you it goes everywhere. When it goes everywhere, you can't get it off. So basically, shake your can and just give it a little, just like so. Okay. I'll rub it back and forth. So the latch is still kind of tight. It's a 7/16, and just give it just a little off of there, and then it'll. Now we're going to put a little bit more lithium grease on there because it's still a little tight. We're feeling just a little bit of resistance. All right, see? So now, I dry it all off. Moisture's going to get in there regardless. This just has a little foam backing on there. I don't recommend using silicone caulking around there because this is a continuation maintenance. I would say probably every 6 months, or as you notice it starts to stick and get bound up again, just pop it off and go over it again. So like I said, screwdriver, we're going to set this guy back in here. So this latch is just going to sit right in there. It's just a matter of popping that guy in there. Grab my screw. If you have an extra set of hands, it sometimes helps, but my extra set of hands is holding the camera right now. Again, you don't want to crank on these, you just want them snug. Now, it's way easier. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Happy Tales RV, and don't forget to subscribe and have a good day.